Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the region of your Discord server channel. So for instance, you're in a channel, like a voice channel, and the signal isn't that great. I think you can only edit it if you're the owner or the admin of the server. Select edit channel here. Scroll down to region override, and then you're going to select the region that you want to use, for instance Singapore here. Then I'm going to select save changes, and it's going to connect the region to the region you set, of course. As you can see, it says anyone in this channel will connect to the region you set regardless of where they live. Regions affect voice and video quality. Leave it on automatic and Discord will figure out what works best. So I usually do have it on automatic, but if the signal is like really bad that day, I will just like change it to a region that's like close to everybody. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.